Hi, my name is Thanos Smith, and I am the founder and chief visionary officer of the Paragon Universe. Well, it feels great to be back home. I used to live here in Atlanta, and to be able to see all the movement and the progress, the folks moving in constantly. I've been building the Paragon Universe in so many ways that can be able to address congestion, the electric charging grid, the infrastructure, as well as our ability to create efficient jobs for the 21st century. We're developing technology where you can charge your car in literally less than 5 minutes. So that's really important. And then we're going to be able to roll that out in the next year. So that way anyone can have access to this technology. So I think that's going to be very helpful. And then last but not least, our ability for the construction industry allows you to build homes in 75% less time. So a lot stronger, being able to withstand wind over 200 miles per hour. And that's really important at a cost that makes sense financially. So these things are already built right now. We want to take it to Atlanta and provide it to the folks that live here.